Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video to my channel. In this video, I will be ungatekeeping a method to how to dev meme coins on chain and potentially obtain this phantom wallet, bro. Because I built this phantom wallet purely from deving, not by trading. That's exactly why I'm making this video, to show you guys how it's done. Now, I used to be a meme coin trading fiend, bro. I was trading a lot back in the day. I was making a lot of money, I'm not going to lie. But times have changed, bro. You will make way more money from deving than trading, and that's a fact. Let me explain why. In 2026, bro, most coins that you buy will go completely to zero, and you will basically get completely liquidated, just like this coin, right? You would buy in right here, and here, and then you would hope to make money, right? But then boom, the dev would take all your money. He would completely liquidate your position, and that's exactly why I avoid trading. Unless the narrative is really good and the dev is proven to not rug you, well, I would trade, right? But I would highly recommend the dev most of the time, right? It's untapped, it's low downside and high upside, and honestly, bro, it's way better because you risk nothing if you dev meme coins. $0 to make a coin, right? All we're doing is launching coins over and over again with decent narratives. We wait for buyers, and then when the market cap is high, boom, we cash out, and we do that over and over again. I have people in my Discord server that are making around 300 to 1k a day. That's their personal results. I cannot guarantee anything for you, but if you stay consistent and you watch this video, you might be able to get an edge over every single other dev, bro. I will be ungatekeeping the method on how to launch a meme coin in this video. Anyways, let's get right into it. And by the way, bro, this entire video is for educational purposes only, so please, bro, do not copy me. I am not a financial advisor. You can do whatever the fuck you want, but please, bro, just be aware. Yeah. Now right here, I do have a clear plan of what deving meme coins actually means, okay? If you want, you can pause the video and read the description right here, right? But basically what this means is that you risk absolutely nothing when it comes to deving, literally $0, right? Maybe a couple dollars for the blockchain fees, but let's say zero, right? The more launches you do, the more chances you have of making money. Obviously, bro, you make money from the Pump.Fun creator fees and from the supply. Right here, I launched a bunch of coins. I would say around 550 coins in a month, and I made this in purely the Pump.Fun creator fees, right? And yeah, now most people, when they want to make their meme coin, right, they go on Pump.Fun, they go on Meteora or all these other launch pads, and they make their meme coins here, hoping to catch a quick wave or make their coin go viral just out of luck. But they are wasting their time, bro. The main goal as a dev is to get your meme coin immediately to Raydium right here in the migrate section, right? And that will reach thousands of fucking people for your meme coin in the migrate section. But to reach that point, your meme coin needs to reach a $55,000 market cap on Pump.Fun. That's why you have to be using external launchpads that are fucking untapped. For example, the most popular fucking platform out there is called Meme.io, because every single coin that is launched through here will go to Raydium instantly. It will skip the bonding curve on Pump.Fun, right? And it will go directly to Raydium, right? Shown to thousands of people. Now, that's why people are gatekeeping this launchpad really secretly, V. And I hope this video does not go viral because, bro, that's gonna be cooked. But anyways, to make a meme coin, you could either create a coin from scratch by going to X or TikTok or Instagram and looking for a narrative to potentially turn into a fucking viral meme coin. It could be anything. You would just invent a name, symbol, and image, and bang, it's done. But I personally like the other method because I use this one every single day, ironically, and that is the copy trending coins feature in the third tab, because all of these coins are all going viral, they all have a good narrative, and they're all proven to attract buyers because, bro, they simply all have a good narrative. So the strategy here is simply to copy them to Raydium, right, and possibly recycle the narrative into a new coin, right? And then reach thousands of people. And since you have a good narrative, well, you have a high chance of surpassing that copy and getting a bunch of buyers, or potentially make your meme coin go viral. And that's how it works. Alright, let's stop yapping and stop explaining, and now it's time for the best part of today's video, and that is to actually launch a coin and see how much we can make in profits, right? Now first off, make sure Phantom Wallet is connected, right? It's the main step. Click on refresh and then look for a coin to copy. Just go for something, try it out. If it does not work, if you only make a couple bucks, then go to the next one and then rinse and repeat. It's all about consistency. Now I'm gonna copy the core coin, click copy to Raydium, wait for Phantom Wallet to pop up, ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm I understand, then on confirm, and then you are going to receive, well, the coin will be vamped, right? Just wait. Boom, and now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page is where we create the official Raydium liquidity pool, and it's really important because this is exactly how you control the entire pool and how it goes to Raydium instantly, okay? Skipping the mountain curve from Pump.Fun and reaching thousands of people. Now, for the amount of coins, right, click on 90% simply right here. It's going to make your life easier if you do not understand this. Right under for the amount of Solana to pair, this is the first ever buy into the coin. Now, you might be wondering who is buying into your coin. Well, it's yourself. Since you are the dev and you are the creator, well, you will have the chance to buy in the coin before everyone else, and that's exactly how you are going to profit from one of the ways. You are going to profit from this supply, right? And then people are going to buy after you. Like that, you make money on your bags, and also you'll be able to make money from the Pump.Fun creator fees or the Raydium creator fees, which for every transaction you will get a piece of that how do I explain to this? Like for example, if someone buys $100 into a coin, you are going to receive $5 as a creator. Okay, basically it's that. Now, here the minimum is 0.32 SOL. I'm gonna put 0.3 SOL, right? You can put whatever the fuck you want. I would highly recommend 0.3 to 1 SOL around there. You will get this back later because you are the creator. Once you dump it, it will come back inside your Phantom Wallet. So click on create pool. Wait for a Phantom Wallet to pop up, obviously. It should take a bit, yes sir. Ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm I understand, confirm. And when that is done, bro, click on refresh, then scroll down and the pool should be live. Yes sir, it's live. The coin is now on chain. People will be able to see the coin and buy in, and your PNL is at 0, by the way, well, ours. And if we click on the refresh button, well, as you guys can see, we received 150 bucks from the start because people are now buying in, they're aping in, and they're liking the narrative because we copied a viral coin. It simply works like that, okay? Attention comes from viralness, and this coin that we copied looks good because we are already up 146. Now click on view on Photon to see the chart, okay? Let me just go on full screen for a better view. And as you guys can see, bro, the coin now loaded in. We're already up like, I mean, if I had to guess, around $200 to $300 because, bro, look at this, $80, $60. Oh my god, the coin is actually pumping. We're already at the 1.5k market cap. Things are looking good. Yo, just let your coin run, right? Let the buyers roll in because more and more people and traders are going to start seeing the coin in the Raydium DEX, and then they're going to decide if they want to buy in. It simply works like that, bro. Oh my god, it's actually insane because look, think about it. This coin costed us $0 to vamp, right? And now people are actually interested and they are buying in. Like, that's absolutely insane, bro. Like, dude, anybody could dev coins, and that's exactly why I highly encourage everyone to dev coins, right? 50 bucks. Oh my god, bro. We're already up at a 2k market cap. Okay, I'm gonna give this coin some time for it to go up and up and up, and when we come back, bro, we will see how much we're up and then cash out. Alright guys, I am back and the coin is at a 5.8k market cap, 2k liquidity, a bunch of transactions. Things are looking good. Now, okay, you could either wait, but I'm going to dump it right now. Come back to create meme.io, and obviously, bro, click on refresh. And bang, we are up $2,000 in profits, which is not too shabby. Now click on the minus button, do 100% remove liquidity, then wait for Phantom Wallet to pop up. And as you guys can see, bro, we are going to receive around 22 SOL. Click on confirm. And bang, bro, we just dumped it. And now if I open my wallet, boom, we received around $1.9 thousand in profits, purely from profits in this coin. Now guys, okay, on your coin you might not make the same amount as me. That's because it's different for everyone, bro. You might make 10,000, 5,000, 120, 2,000, you never know, bro. It does fluctuate, and that's why you have to be consistent. Every single coin you launch is a new lottery ticket. Anyways, bro, yeah, obviously it's for educational purposes only. Do not take this as financial advice. And create meme.io will be linked in the comments down below in the description. Join my Discord, like, comment, subscribe. Peace out.